बहुत खुश है सर। मैं ये चाहता था कि मेरा ना, जब से ये शेड्यूल डिसाइड हुआ था, मुझे हमेशा यही था कि सेमीफाइनल किसी तरीके से ऑस्ट्रेलिया जब फाइनल में ना मिले, क्योंकि फ़ाइनल की हमारी वो पुरानी है, भूली बिसरी यादें हैं जो 19 नवंबर वाली, जहाँ पे फाइनल में वो अलग बीस्ट हो जाती है ऑस्ट्रेलिया। तो वो एक थोड़ा डर भी था, इसीलिए मैं चाहता था कि किसी तरीके से आप जीत जाएँ, सेमीफाइनल में मिल जाए। और सेमीफाइनल में ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हराना एज़ कम्पेयर टू फाइनल में हराना बहुत ईजी है। और आपके जो एक्स्ट्रा बॉलर्स थे, जैसे वरुण चक्रवर्ती को आपने ट्राई कर लिया, वो भी एक ट्रम्प कार्ड हो गए। आपको सारी चीज़ें ट्राई करना था, सारी चीज़ें आपने कर लिया। आपके पास एक मतलब प्रॉपर एक स्क्वाड आज के टाइम पे बैठा है कि फाइनल में, सेमीफाइनल में आपको किसको खिलाना है। तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ और चाहता हूँ कि इसी तरीके से आगे चलता रहे, रेंज चलता रहे। जिस तरीके से आपने 2013 का चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी बिना एक भी मैच हारे जीता था, ये वाला भी आप जीत जाए बिना एक भी हारे। भगवान करे यही हो सर।
Very excited actually, defending this kind of total. I was thinking actually India was like, half the inning, I thought India was like 20 runs short of par score. But, I think, facing India's quality of, spin bowler on this kind of track was very difficult, And Williamson was a lone warrior, and then in the end he gave up as well, Fantastic. And Varun Chakravarti, what a comeback for him, 2021 World Cup. Same ground, Varun Chakravarti, he was booed by, I think it was Salman Butt who said, we can find, Varun Chakravarti kind of bowler in every street of Pakistan. Remember that? And now he is coming back with the 5 wickets all, so fantastic effort by India. Good bowling by Akshar, Jadeja, amazing, and Akshar especially, he's like a proper all-rounder now, I would say batting all-rounder. So it was an amazing effort from India. Now they have to go and beat Australia, in semi-final, I think. I think, seeing the slow and spinning track of the way, I would actually give India an edge, in semi-final. I think they should beat Australia and play final now.
What to say about this match? Like when I came for the second inning and I was working for my first shift, and I thought that we will not make it, but it was a really exciting match today. And what to say about our players? They are fantastic, and I'm very much sure that this year we will lift the trophy. Hip hip hooray! India and India, हम जीतेंगे इस बार. Champion trophy is ours.
I wanted to see in semi-final India versus Australia. Now 2023 ODI World Cup, the same rivalry is back. This time Australia Kangaroos, you'll go in a losing way. Seriously, I'm very happy because I wanted India versus Australia in semi-final, not in final, which is going to happen now. So I loved it. And Kiwi is always good team, but this time I knew that India will win. But now India versus Australia semi-final, I loved it. And thank